Hello, my name is Courtney. I live here in Ayr, Ontario in this century home behind me with my husband and our 3 kids. We've been out here for 10 years and we bought the house because we fell in love with the charm and the character that an old house brings. Also brings some challenges as your family grows. It's not an open concept house by any means. We had planned to have 2 children but had twins, so we ended up with 3. Which has posed a problem with a 3-bedroom house and a small bathroom and a small kitchen. We live on top of each other, it feels like most of the time, and we really just decided to pull the trigger and get some more space. We got put in touch with Triforce, and their designer came out in January and really walked through everything with us. We met Greg shortly thereafter, and again he came through and we talked everything over. I really enjoyed planning with Christine and Greg and Sean, so it's been a really wonderful team to work with, and we're really glad that we've gone that direction. So things we are most excited about is the new kitchen. It'll be really lovely to have a proper workflow in a kitchen where we can have people sitting while we're entertaining and still utilize our kitchen in that proper, I guess, triangle pattern of appliances that everybody talks about. Having enough bedrooms for all the children and ourselves is going to be great. We don't really have an option to do like a finished basement in the house, so this is giving us the opportunity to have more living space on the main floor. We're really excited to have the new ensuite, not have to share our small current bathroom with 3 kids and all their toothbrushes and toothpaste and clothes everywhere. And a brand new master bedroom, nice, big, bright. We've been told that we're going to be able to do the vaulted ceilings after all, which, considering it's not a huge space, is really going to keep it open for us. So all in all, we're really excited for the project to get underway and then eventually move back into the current house that we love, even better.